Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take GABA supplement. First, understand that GABA, or gamma-aminobutyric acid, is a key neurotransmitter in your brain. It helps to calm the nervous system, promoting relaxation and reducing feelings of stress. Many people use GABA supplements to support a sense of tranquility and improve sleep quality. Remember to always speak with a healthcare professional before adding any new supplement to your routine. When considering dosage, many people find effective results with 100 milligrams to 800 milligrams per day. The best time to take GABA depends on your goal. If you're seeking better sleep, try taking it about 30 to 60 minutes before you plan to go to bed. For general stress relief throughout the day, taking your supplement with meals can be beneficial. GABA supplements come in various forms, including capsules, powders, and even chewable tablets, offering flexibility for your preference. It's always wise to start with a lower dose to see how your body reacts before increasing. Also, be mindful of interactions. It's best to avoid combining GABA with alcohol or other substances that cause drowsiness to prevent excessive sedation. While generally well tolerated, some individuals might experience mild side effects like drowsiness, stomach upset, or a tingling sensation. If you notice any adverse or unusual reactions, it's important to discontinue use and consult your doctor. Always prioritize your well-being and listen to your body's signals. For more information and to explore other great products, including a fantastic reading device, be sure to check the description below for links and deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.